lesson I'll show you some different licks. We're going to be mostly using the Aeolian scale in different positions on the neck. So let's go check it out right now. Lick 3 is when the progression goes into a little bridge part, or you can call it a chorus part or whatever, but it goes from, so we're in that A minor, and then of course it goes to E minor. So the first part on A minor is lick 3, goes like E minor pick here. So it's a similar pull-off segment that we did in lick 1, but this time we're on the 12th fret. We're still in the Aeolian scale. We're just in a different position now, but these are all Aeolian notes in A minor, or in A. We pick E15, and then immediately pull off to E13 and then 12. On a B string we hammer on from 12 to 13 and then 15, and then we pull up. So, and a vibrato on G14. Lick 4 is over that E minor part. It's a half bend on G14. Pick G14 again. Then G12, and then slide to G11, and then G9. Then from G9 we slide with our ring finger to D12, back to G9.